Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to set up some folders so you can organize your Google Drive a little bit better. The first thing you're going to do once you're in your Google Drive is you're going to click on this big button that says New with the plus sign. And once you click on it, you have all these different options, but we're going to go to Folder, which should be the very top one. So you're going to click on Folder, and you should get a pop-up right away that says New Folder, and it says Untitled. So we're going to change this. And I'm just going to call it 2020-2021 semester 2. So I usually do the school year first and then what semester it is, and then I'll hit create. So a lot of people end up doing extra work because they can't find where their Google folders are and where their different documents are. So what we're doing here is we're just making it easier for you guys to find. So I'm going to click on here to open up this folder. And in here, I am going to create 4 new folders. So the first one, I'm going to label them with the name of the period and what period it is. So I'm going to do period 1, literacy, because that's the first class you guys have. And then period 2, going to be Indigenous Studies. You can hit enter or you can hit create. And then period 3, you have science. And finally, period 4. For computer skills. So once you have all of those created, what you're going to do is you're going to use these for any assignments that you're working on. So for example, if you click on your journal entry that we worked on, and you want to make sure that it's in the literacy folder, this little file folder up here that you can see, that I've got a circle around right now, if you click on move, you're going to have the option to put that folder wherever you want. So I know I have 2 of these right now, but I'm going to click on this one and see if this is where all my folders are. Yep. So you can navigate forwards and backwards using these arrows. But if I click here, it's going to open these up, and I'm going to click on literacy. I don't need to double click, and I'm just going to click move. So now this has actually gone into my literacy folder. So if you need to find it again, you would come back to literacy to find it, because what's going to happen is if you go back in through D2L, you are not going to be able to access what you've already worked on. It's going to force you to create another copy. So you want to have it here so you can open it up and see the work that you've already done. So that is how you create folders and move documents around within Google Drive, and that will keep you a little bit more organized, and it will help you find your different documents much easier.